Hey, attention crypto gossipators, things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So guys, big headlines, big things happening right now. As you know, Shibarium did not go fully live when it launched, okay? And that was because of the influx, just a crazy amount of demand. So here we have it, Shibarium in private mode as Shiba Inu team gears up for enhanced security measures ahead of public relaunch, okay? So undoubtedly, you know, things need to be fixed, things need to be done the right way, and it happens, guys. Blockchains can fall down, they are very complex. So I wouldn't be surprised that, you know, errors can happen. Although we did not anticipate it, but there's always that chance, okay? These mistakes can happen. It has happened in the past with other blockchains. So let's just dive deep into it and see where we are right now. So Shiba Inu Shibarium alive, but not for public. As SHIB team ready to test chain extensively. Shiba Inu lead developer Shytoshi Kusama shares an update on Shibarium, revealing that the layer 2 network is online and private mode with deep testing underway, okay? So undoubtedly, you know, they want to make it perfect. They don't want to repeat this issue that they had, so they're trying to get it underway. So Shiba Inu proponents are bursting with energy following a recent Shibarium update from Shytoshi Kusama. The announcement revealed that all issues on the newly launched layer 2 network have been sorted. Shiba Inu lead developer added that the team would keep working to ensure maximum scalability on the network. So Shibarium back online in private mode. Accordingly, Shiba Inu lead developer noted that Shibarium is now live but not open for public access yet. The aim is to enable the development team to execute deep testing on the blockchain to ensure perfect security status. Also, Kusama reported that Balak production resumed yesterday on the private mode Shibarium. So Shibarium is currently live, producing blocks as normal. He further said that the SHIB team should rest to get a fresh start to solve security problems before making Shibarium public again. Okay, guys, so obviously it's private mode, but working to turn it public. So for all of us, recall that Shibarium's data encountered drawbacks with block production halted on the network last week. At the time of writing, the designated explorer Shibarium scan showed that the last block on the Shibarium mainnet was produced on Thursday. And the most notable problem amid the Shibarium launch was the trapping of 965 ETH worth roughly $1.7 million at the time in the Ethereum bridge. And this triggered severe FUDs from several bad actors who shared Photoshop chats to dent Shiba Inu's image. As reported by the Crypto Basic, this negative development erupted due to the unexpectedly high engagement of the Shibarium network. After launch, Shibarium users deposited 1,000 ETH tokens and 600,000 BONE tokens. Within 15 minutes, over 160 million compute units were recorded on Shibarium within 30 minutes. Since the team secured only 400 million compute units per month, Alchemy Shibarium was temporarily halted to increase its capacity. According to Kusama, Shibarium scaling capacity had been increased by 1,500%. Amid these positive developments and ongoing work, Shiba Inu proponents are hopeful Shibarium will soon be up for public use. Okay, so here it is, guys. What can I say? We are in private mode. Let them fix it. Let them get, you know, rid of all the problems and get ready for a relaunch. I know a lot of you are angry. You're sad. Should have been done the first go, but hey, it is what it is. We better move on, or nothing is ever gonna, you know, happen. So I think, you know, once everything is 100% complete, sorted, then, you know, the massive influx, a lot of money is going to go in. People are going to try to load up, of course, on BONE. So, you know, if you're holding BONE, you're definitely going to see prices catapult and portfolios go all the way to the moon. If you're holding anything else as well, okay, same case, it's going to be going up. But right now, the fixing needs to happen. I think the whole dev team is there. Others were brought in to also help fix these issues, to make improvements. And once it's all set and go, ready to go, then hey, we are gonna basically take in all the benefits, advantages that we were supposed to, you know, a few days ago. Okay. Also, guys, you know, as things are very cheap, as prices definitely plummeted, went down, were pushed down by all the panic, all the negative energy, all the FUD. This kind of gives us an opportunity to load up, guys, because it will go up. Remember, also, the current market isn't that great. So once everything is bullish, once everything is up and running, that's where we are going to really have that honeymoon period when it comes to, you know, profits and seeing money go up. So it is up to you to really look at the situation and to look at it in a positive, you know, way, and to see an opportunity here, okay, which are the cheap prices to load up on your bags, because for some of you it's hard, you're waiting for your paychecks constantly. So hey, these are absolute bargain prices. And others, you know, those that really are freaking out, panicking, well, maybe it's better that you leave, because if you can't handle the pressure of waiting a few days, then what can I say? I mean, guys, developers themselves are under a lot of pressure, so don't think that you are the only ones, you know, here under pressure, because I don't even think your pressure is that big. We know what the issue is now, okay? It just needs to be fixed, and then it's back and running and ready to explode. You saw the demand there. The demand is there. Okay, demand is there. That's the problem. It exploded because of the demand. So people genuinely are interested and want to use it. It's almost like, you know, there's more interest than we thought was going to happen. But hey, you know, these issues need to be dealt with, and they will be dealt with. Remember, what is Shibarium bringing in? Efficiency, quickness, cheapness, decentralization. So all these boxes are ticked. This is beautiful to build on, okay? This is exactly what they want. They don't want what we have right now. People don't want to be paying crazy fees. So here is the best solution. That best solution is, you know, finalized and ready to go, okay? So guys, really see the bigger picture. Things can happen. It's not always going to be a smooth ride. But if you can go through these lows and these downs, then wow, you are going to be cashing in big time. I am telling you right now, okay, that you are here, you know, on a massive journey and opportunity. So if you have any thoughts, let us know down below about going private mode. You know, how you feeling about Shibarium, the security being enhanced? Is that important? Would you rather them just, you know, put it out as quickly as possible, or should they just fix everything that needs to be fixed? So let us know down below. Also, don't forget to turn that notifications bell on, make sure you subscribe, and as usual, guys, a big thank you to everyone. I appreciate all the support, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.